If I want to be the best, I have to work hard. I have to put in the effort that no one sees. Keep going even when I'm tired. Keep going even if I'm sore.
I started sports really early in my childhood. I started playing baseball at about 5 years old.
My mom signed me and my brother up to play at our local YMCA. That's just where the passion began.
My dad wasn't really in the picture a lot, so it's just pretty much my mom and my grandparents. My grandpa's been basically my coach for my whole life.
I had high hopes for my baseball career. I assumed I was going to be playing Major League Baseball, but some stuff happened during my junior season and that didn't come to fruition. So I figured I'd try out track.
Growing up, I really idolized Kobe Bryant. I'd be in my backyard practicing his moves and his clutch shots that he would make time after time again. You really got to work hard if you want to be a great basketball player.
In track and field, it's you versus the numbers. Competing to just throw a little bit farther every time. It's allowed me to compete with a level of intensity and determination and confidence that I just couldn't always have in a different sport.
I love discus. That was my first throwing event when I started as a freshman in high school. I like the fine details and tuning up little parts of the throw, constantly learning new things, constantly trying to make it better.
The transition from high school to college was a big one. I was thinking then I don't know if I can do this. But I just stuck through it, and then I made the team, and now here I am playing for the Salem Capitals.
Baseball is all about throwing. I was a pitcher for the last 16 years of my life. Looking at javelin throwing, I was like, I think I can throw one of these pretty far. And so I picked one up, and in my first year, I've thrown 200 feet, which is top 10 in the nation.
I think I do a lot of what I do for my family, seeing them proud and seeing them appreciate what I've done.
I would just encourage young athletes to keep working hard because you never know what's coming around the corner.
Just be patient with yourself. Everyone's journey is different.
Don't limit yourself. I always believe that you can do something if you put your mind to it.